Alright you guys, so I'm going to start off by cropping this sweatshirt. I actually got this from Walmart and I got it in a size medium. I think it was like $6. So I'm just going to go ahead and take off these stickers, and then this is what I'm using to create my letters, and these are called HOT FIX rhinestones. So they have a backing on them that when you heat it up, it adheres the rhinestone to the fabric. So I'm just going to take something hard. You can use a magazine, a box, whatever you have. And I'm going to put that in between the sweater so that I can iron it on nice and flat. So it's really self-explanatory. I'm just going to start. I always like to start with my middle letters so that way I can just work my way out and know that everything's going to be nice and centered. So I'm starting off with the Greek letter sigma. And I'm just putting it in a line and evening it out as best as I can. Like I said, it's pretty self-explanatory. You just create whatever shape you want to have with your rhinestones. And I did all of my letters 3 rows or 3 layers of rhinestones thick because I knew I didn't want it thin, so that's why I added 3 rows. So my camera ended up dying, but I kept working, so that's why I already did these letters. But the delta symbol is super easy. It's just a triangle, so 3-layer triangle. And then I also went ahead and made the numbers 1913 because that's the year we were founded. But now I'm just working on the last Greek letter, and it's literally just like a rectangle with curved edges. So I'm just taking my time and placing them on nice and neat. I'm a little bit OCD when it comes to things like this, so definitely just take your time so that you can get it perfect. And with this one, I'm starting with the outside layer, and then as you'll see in a little bit here, I'm going to iron that flat. Then I'm going to go inside of this and do the second layer, iron that flat. Then go ahead and do the 3rd layer and iron that flat. So now that I'm done with the outside part of this last letter, I'm going to go ahead and start to create the last part of it. So it's just this little squiggly line in the middle of the shape, and I'm only going to do this 2 layers thick because I made the inside of the sigma 2 layers thick. So I kind of want to keep it, you know, in unison. Sorry if you hear that airplane in my background. They are always in my freaking videos. But yeah, you're just going to go ahead and make that oh my gosh. I'm going to make that little squiggly line in the middle of the theta. So now I'm just going to place this fabric over top and go ahead and iron that down. I iron it for about 30 seconds. And here I'm just showing you what I was looking at to create my letters. So the last thing I'm going to do is I already flipped the sweater inside out, and now I'm just going to fold the bottom up, and basically I'm going to sew all the way around. Aside from that little space, as you see here, I went ahead and sewed all the way around and left a little opening so that I'm able to feed my elastic through. And I was just able to stick that bobby pin right through the elastic, and that's what I'm going to use to kind of push and pull my elastic all the way through. So here I am coming out of the other side, and all that you need to do now is go ahead and pull that end all the way out, remove the bobby pin, then place the 2 ends of the elastic together and sew it down flat. then you can sew shut that opening and you are all done. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you share it with your friends, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe down below. So again, thank you so much for watching. As always, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.